I'm asking you a question. Who are you? Why are you taking pictures of the department? Sir?
Reason for the traffic stop today says your license is not valid and your registration is not up to date.
When silence and hesitation are treated as defiance, the line between law enforcement and abuse of power begins to blur.
Don't touch me. Okay, I'm gonna put you in cuffs. Okay?
That's fine.
You're gonna be put in cuffs. Okay, supervisor's on his way.
You have anything on you ain't supposed to have, let go of that.
When you are arrested for doing nothing wrong, you no longer live under the rule of law, but in fear. From just a few photos taken outside the building, everything spiraled in an instant, and handcuffs were ready the moment silence was treated as a threat.
Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? Hey. Hey. I'm asking you a question. Who are you? Why are you taking pictures of the department? Sir? Don't touch me. Okay, I'm gonna put you in cuffs. Okay?
That's fine.
You're gonna be put in cuffs. Okay, supervisor's on his way. Okay? I'm asking you questions here.
Hey guys, I'm being arrested right now, being put in cuffs for taking pictures of the police department. Don't turn my phone off.
Okay, you are not in control here.
I am, actually. You work for me, I don't work for you.
46, I got one in custody over here. I need a supervisor.
You're gonna lose your job, buddy. It's illegal detainment. Can you please call a supervisor out here? This is illegal detainment under 16.3.103.
Okay. Hang out here.
You don't have permission to search me. I don't consent to any search procedures.
Okay, I'm waiting for a supervisor to come up here.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
What's your name back?
When the camera was still live streaming, a shocking statement was made, raising the unsettling reality that silence alone could cost someone their freedom on the spot.
I'm done talking to you guys then.
Okay.
So what's up?
He's taking pictures of the department, taking pictures of all our stuff here, so I don't know what he's doing. I try to talk to him, he's not talking to me, he starts walking away.
Is that a reason to cuff me?
Yeah,
Is that
you're being detained right now. Yeah.
For what? For what crime?
Yeah, no, it's reasonable suspicion.
Of what crime?
Okay.
You have to have reasonable suspicion of a crime to detain somebody.
I am not going to speak to you.
That's
you can
fine.
speak to my supervisor when he gets here.
You have me in cuffs right now.
Okay, yeah. You're
So
being
I'm gonna
detained
talk-
at the moment, yeah.
Because you're an ignorant asshole. That's what.
Okay. What's that?
You're wearing, you're a corporal?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We're not asking you questions.
What? You didn't ask me any questions? You asked me what I was doing, what I was doing, what I was doing. I chose not to answer you, which I have a right to do. Do I not? I do. Thank you. I hope this doesn't take longer than 20 minutes. Because then it turns into an arrest instead of taking. Hey guys, if I'm still live streaming, call the Pueblo Police Department. Let them know officers Romero and Waring, something like that, are both detaining me illegally outside the Pueblo Department. I don't even know what street this is.
Everything suddenly shifted when another person stepped in. Just a few brief words, but enough to change the entire situation in an instant.
So I'm loading up. I'm loading up. This guy's on the corner. I thought he was taking a picture of the eagle on the department. He's like, oh, okay, no big deal. So I start, putting myself in my patrol vehicle. So he walks past it, and I was like, oh, he's leaving. Can you answer?
Can't talk right now, I'm busy.
So he starts walking, so I back up, and then he's next to this corner now taking pictures. Like, what is he doing? So then he comes over, he starts taking pictures. It looks like he's taking pictures of these signs. I don't know if he's taking pictures of these cars or
He's
what.
part of an organization called the First Amendment Strike Team.
Is he?
Yeah, so
Okay.
he's trying to see what we're going to do.
Okay.
He has every right to do that.
Okay, and that's fine with that. I don't have.
Go
an
ahead and
issue.
cuff him.
Uncuff him. Right now.
Uncuff.
Because I did nothing wrong. I was not breaking the law. This officer just illegally detained me under CRS 16.3.103.
I've seen your video, sir. I know
Okay.
exactly what you're talking about.
Who am I?
First Amendment Strike Team.
Okay.
I know exactly who you are.
Exactly.
Um,
So you know I'm not out here doing anything illegal.
I do.
No, nothing.
I do.
And I'd like to file a complaint against this officer for
There's two-
deprivation of rights.
You can actually go into the department.
Okay.
File the complaint if you'd like to. Should have touched it before. But I understand totally what you're doing.
So will you be suspended administratively until the thing is cleared out?
No.
He just broke the law.
I understand
He
that.
should be
There'll
arrested.
So an internal affairs investigation, if you want to file a complaint, will be conducted, and depending on the findings of that, it'll be dealt with depending on what.
So is there going to be?
No one was arrested, no charges were filed, but the biggest question remains: if there had been no camera, what would have really happened?
Thank you.
You're good. I'm gonna go home.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go home.
Yes, Captain Martin needs to speak to you. So I don't know if they even need me here anymore, so.
Plays 4K on your camera. What plays 4K? I know like the TVs do, but how do you edit 4Ks?
Computers do also, and all the software editing stuff is 4K compatible. So even if your computer isn't, you can upload it or finish it.
You call records real quick. You have to submit a Freedom of Information Act for the bodycam video. There's a charge. I'm not sure what the charge is, but I'm gonna find out.
I'm sure records can probably tell me.
Yeah, I'm gonna call just so you know now.
Thank you, man. I appreciate all your help.
In Colorado, officers who abuse their authority through unlawful detention can face internal discipline, civil lawsuits for damages, loss of qualified immunity, and serious harm to their careers. The officer's actions may trigger internal investigations and lead to administrative or civil liability. Up next, from a minor paperwork issue alone, tension erupted from the very first exchange.
I do.
You registered owner of this vehicle?
Huh?
Are you a registered owner of this vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay, can I get your license, registration, and proof of insurance? Reason for the traffic stop today says your license is not valid and your registration is not up to date.
That's right.
Okay, so why are you driving?
You won't believe it.
Okay, what I need to do is turn off the vehicle first, and I'm gonna have you step out the vehicle. You're not drinking anything. Step out the vehicle.
You what?
Step out of the vehicle. I've asked you already 3 times.
Calm down, buddy. Get all them registration stuff there.
Step to the back of the vehicle.
Let me get this stuff for you, okay? Give it all.
Sir, we're both gonna be standing in traffic, and I'd rather you step out the vehicle like I asked you twice.
Third time's a charm.
Okay, well, step to the back of the vehicle.
Why the attitude?
Because you're not listening. And you're driving without a license.
I got a driver's license.
No, it's not valid. How much you had to drink today?
Not very much.
No, how much is not very much?
$4.97.
You don't know? Okay. What's your first name?
Wait.
W-A-Y-D-E? You have an FR suspension on your driver's license, which means you do not have a driver's license. It's not valid, which means you can't.
Suspension for what?
Financial responsibilities.
It's FR, stands for.
So which means you didn't pay a ticket, or you didn't pay your insurance, whatever it was.
When age, speech, and hesitation were viewed in a negative light, an ordinary traffic stop began to turn dangerous.
So whatnot. So are you gonna? What's gonna happen at this point is, are you going to consent to field sobriety exercises?
Absolutely not.
You're not going to consent to field sobriety exercises. I really would appreciate it if you did, because otherwise I'm going to have to make my decision. I'm gonna have to make my decision based. I'm gonna have to
78 years old.
I'm gonna have to base my decision off of my observations without going through any exercise.
This guy's got an attitude.
Well, he's basically talking to you, buddy, like, do you have any medical issues where
Absolutely.
you could not do
Bunches. I'm a disabled combat veteran from Vietnam.
Okay.
I appreciate your service. Let's start with that. We do appreciate that.
I'm not gonna do no field sobriety.
Okay.
I'll do a breathalyzer.
Okay. Because you're kind of talking like you have a thick tongue, slurring your words just a tad. So I'm just want to make sure.
Because I'm old.
Okay. Whose license is this?
Mine.
Is it valid?
Yes.
You can't have a license in 2 different states.
I don't.
Where's the other license at?
No idea.
You have any tools? It's a seized tag order. He's a phone driver, so.
You better take my
Yeah, I might actually tow your vehicle too, so.
What the hell's wrong with this guy?
I'm just here, man. He's
I
doing a
know.
job. Just have to let him do his inspection, brother.
And he comes right over and right off the bat, he's on the muscle.
How long you been a veteran?
41.
I got out of Vietnam in 68.
Really?
I've been disabled since
10-4-58.
well, no, it was before that.
Yeah. Y'all used to live in Michigan?
That's what I'm trying to tell him, but he won't listen.
A lawful refusal, but one that carried serious consequences. Without clear evidence, a decision was made in an instant.
You should be driving then.
Probably not.
Okay. And you don't have a license, so you really shouldn't be driving.
I do have a license.
It's not valid.
Yes, it is.
Your FR suspension is 8/24/22. All right, so what I'm gonna need you to do right now is I'm gonna need you to put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for DUI. You have anything on you ain't supposed to have? Let go of that.
Yeah, son.
Well, if you weren't drinking and driving without a license, there would be no attitude.
What did you give me a breathalyzer test?
We're going to when you get to the hospital. Or when we get not to the hospital, to jail. Is there anything that I'm taking out of your pockets that you want to give to your wife?
Yeah, money. The jackknife. You taking my phone too? Jeez.
You're not going to have it on you while you're being transported, no. So I can put the glasses back on your head, you'll take them with you.
I want them back on.
Okay. Now, you want the phone and all this to go to your wife?
What's that?
You want this to go to your wife?
I can't keep it, right?
You're not going to have it in a jail, no. The money and all these cards?
Yeah.
To your wife?
Wallet.
Wallet to your wife?
Well, unless I need ID and stuff.
Well, I have your one ID that you have in my car.
Okay.
Stand right there, don't move. Can you keep an eye on him for a second? 31.
Within seconds, handcuffs came out, and everything quickly spiraled beyond a routine traffic stop.
License in Florida, right? Florida says you can't, just hear me out.
Yeah.
FR suspension, stand up. I'm gonna take those cuffs off real quick. Stand up.
Do I?
Stand up, turn around. I'm gonna take those cuffs off you while I talk to you real quick. No, I mean, I don't have to, I'm just being nice. Turn around and face me. Turn around and face me, the other way. This way.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, but that's why I had you turn around. Because trying to do it from behind, I would have crushed your wrist more. Okay, so here's the deal. You have 2 licenses, right?
Not that I'm aware of.
I'm telling you, listen to me.
Don't raise your
Then
voice at me.
don't overtalk to me.
Talk with me like a man.
I tried to, but you're not listening.
You know.
So here's the deal. Just, how about you do yourself a favor at this point? Okay?
What?
Don't talk when I'm talking. Do yourself a favor. Okay, you have 2 licenses. One's in Florida. It's not valid. You have a valid one out of Michigan. Florida law says you can't have a license in more than one state. So you have one in another state. I can issue a citation for that. You also have a registration that's out of date. It also has a seized tag order on it, which means I take the tag with me and you don't get it back, and you're going to have to go apply for a new one, which is a couple $100.
It's like $3-4.
Okay, do you understand where I'm going? Okay, you're saying you didn't drink. I don't know if you did or didn't. I don't believe that you didn't. Your wife says you did. I'm sorry, your wife said you didn't. Your wife says you didn't. Here's the deal. Let me explain something to you. Your wife says you didn't. Truthfully, with the driving without a license, for the Florida license, I can still arrest you. I don't need the DUI. None of that matters. But I'm going to cut you a break. I'm going to cut you a little bit of a break. I don't have to do this. I don't have to do this at all. Your wife said she'll drive the vehicle. I'm going to let her get in the driver's seat, because now if she's in the driver's seat and you're in the passenger seat, I can't take the tag. Understand? So then you're going to drive home wherever you live and get it taken care of before you go back in our
That's
county.
what all those white papers are.
Listen to me. I'm explaining this to you. If she's in the driver's seat and you're not, because you're the registered owner, if you're the registered owner driving the vehicle, I have to take the tag.
Handcuffs were removed, but the question remains, without timely intervention, how would this have ended? A just society is not measured by how many people are put in handcuffs, but by how we protect human dignity, civil rights, and the safety of everyone. Hey everyone, what do you think about this situation? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support us with a donation. Thank you so much.